meMiner here. Today we're going to cut up some chalcopyrite using a tile saw and see what's inside. These rocks are also known as copper pyrite. They basically consist of a third copper, a third iron, and a third sulfide. Sometimes they can even contain a trace amount of gold. Here we go. So it's kind of cool inside, just a wee bit fragile. Let's do another cut. Sweet. That'll be nice for cabbing. Almost a fall theme. Looking like a litter of leaves, which I happen to have plenty of. Here's the last two cuts. Pine needles. And the rind. And quickly, here's some more. This one's probably the nicest. That's sweet. The brassy color in these cut rocks is the chalcopyrite. It should polish up really nicely on a flat lap. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.